Here I'm checking our weaner pen. Like when you're doing any checks, you're checking your water nipples to make sure that they're all working. If you have open water trough, you need to make sure that they are clean so that the water is fresh in there. You're checking every pig, making sure every pig gets up, checking for lameness. With weaners, scouring is especially a big problem, so you're focusing very hard on the dung and looking for any trails of scour down the back legs of the pigs. Trough hygiene again is very important, but especially so in the weaners. These pigs are on liquid and have only just changed over, so it's important that this food is kept fresh, so it's fed regularly and in small quantities. I'm making sure that the probes are the right height to achieve this. Fly control is also very important on indoor units. Flies can transfer disease, but they also irritate the pig, which can lead to tail biting. Here we use an additive in the slurry, so we drain our slurry pits and we spray a fly larvae killer in the slurry pits, but we also use sticky strips which catch the flies to complement this. Our liquid feed trough hygiene is very important, so we need to make sure that the probes are in the right position. We set them quite low so that it refreshes the feed often. I'm also, whilst I'm walking around, taking note of what the environment feels like, and I'm checking my air inlets to make sure that they look at the same position. And I'm also checking the measuring fan where the air outlets the room into our wind tunnel. When you're checking your pigs, it is very important that you start with the youngest and work your way up to the oldest. This is to reduce any chance of any transfer of disease between the batches. If you have to go back to the younger ones, make sure that you wash and thoroughly disinfect your boots and overalls before you do.